Hi everyone, Hannah here. So let's go ahead and get started on another tutorial for our mixed media junk journal. I have some ideas of what I'm going to do on the front cover later with the beautiful a clip that Sydney had made, and then also I will be attaching the little glass jar and the beautiful bead dangle trim as well. But for right now, I'll just wait and do that at the end because I don't want it to be in the way as I'm going to be opening and closing the book a bunch to finish out our layouts. So I took a piece of paper and kind of tore around the edges, and I'm making a little trifold with it, and I'm just going to adhere it onto the page with a piece of washi tape and have it fold out. But for now, I want to add a little color to it, and instead of spraying on the shimmer mist, I wanted to actually paint some of the parts of the paper with it. Just, I guess, kind of give it like a watercolor effect. And so I really like how it's turning out. It's a really nice light blue color. You know, just some different ways to add some color, you know, and not have everything, you know, being like white and off-white. So it's just something that I'm just kind of trying out, and I really like how it's turning out. So now I'm going to add this receipt, and I fold it in half, and then I'm going to add a little washi tape so that whenever you fold out the little trifold, you can fold this out and then also flip it up. So I'm going to put a little piece of washi tape on top so that way it'll stay stuck to the page. I thought I'd also add a little stencil kind of peeking out to the side, so that way when you flip everything out, you'll be able to see the rest of the stencil. And for the final touch, I'm going to glue one of these sparkly little flowers on it. So now I'm getting to the first pocket page that I had made when we were thinning out our book, and I thought I would add the paint. And so the paint, it's pretty thick, and so I end up spreading it with the palette knife, and so that may be the best way for you as well. And if you want it to be a little more spreadable, you could even add a little bit of water. So I'm just kind of going, you know, on both pages, just kind of spreading it out a little bit, just basically to add some color over the pages. So now I'm going to take some more of the postage stamps from the napkin and just glue those down to the pages. So for our final page spread in this video, I'm taking some of this tissue paper and I'm cutting some long strips out of it that I will glue on each of the pages. And then I'll be tearing out some of the other sections of the tissue paper to glue on these pages as well. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that it helped you out with working on your junk journal this month. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. Thank you so much for watching.